What is the full form of EMI? Equated monthly installment. What is the full form of NGO? Non-governmental organization. What is the full form of CBSE? Central Board of Secondary Education. What is the full form of ATM? Automated Teller Machine. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. What is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the full form of USB? Universal Serial Bus. What is the full form of DSP? Deputy Superintendent of Police. What is the full form of laser? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. What is the full form of PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. What is the full form of LG? Lieutenant Governor or Lucky Gold Star. What is the full form of KGF? Kolar Gold Field. What is the full form of BTS? Bulletproof Boy Scouts or Bangtan Boys. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. What is the full form of SD card? Secure Digital Card. What is the full form of GPRS? General Packet Radio Service. What is the full form of CCTV? Closed Circuit Television. What is the full form of email? Electronic mail. What is the full form of IQ? Intelligence Quotient. What is the full form of CC and BCC? CC is carbon copy, BCC is blind carbon copy. What is the full form of B2B? Business to business. What is the full form of GIF? Graphics Interchange Format. What is the full form of virus? Vital Information Resource Under Siege. What is the full form of RTGS? Real-Time Gross Settlement. What is the full form of BPO? Business Process Outsourcing. What is the full form of JPEG? Joint Photographic Experts Group. What is the full form of NEFT? National Electronic Fund Transfer. What is the full form of PIN? Personal Identification Number. What is the full form of LOL? Laughing Out Loud. What is the full form of SIM? Subscriber Identity Module. What is the full form of PDF? Portable Document Format. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless Fidelity. What is the full form of chess? Chariot, horse, elephant, soldiers. What is the full form of UPI? Unified Payment Interface. What is the full form of PNR? Passenger Number Record. What is the full form of IBPS? Institute of Banking Personal Selection. What is the full form of RJ? Registered Jack. What is the full form of RMP? Rural Medical Practitioner. To know more interesting facts, please subscribe to this channel.